the total flow of at a wastewater treatment plant. So there is a treatment plant to treat wastewater. The total charge is 600 meter cubic per day. The two biological aeration basins are used to remove BOD from the wastewater. Okay, so you have two aeration. Once we come to biological treatment, we will understand what is biological aeration. It is two huge tanks where there is bacteria and there is organics. Of course, there is flow continuously in and continuously out, and there is mixing, and there is, of course, oxygen is coming off inside the tank. So there's two tanks, okay, like this, with mixers and oxygen. Two biological aeration basins. Aeration means there is aeration, there is air in, because this bacteria need air to breathe, okay, to degrade the organics. So two biological aeration basins are used to remove BOD. So BOD, this is the organic content of the wastewater. It represents the organic content. So the main objective of this biological aeration basin is to remove BOD from wastewater, and are operated in parallel. So they are not in series, in parallel. So this is not the same as this. So they are in parallel. So the flow is being distributed into half, one for tank 1 and the other for tank 2. So they are in parallel. They each have a volume of 25,000 liters. So the volume is 25,000 liters. In hours, what is the aeration period of each tank? So he need to know the aeration period. What is the aeration period? The time you will supply oxygen or air to the reactor. How many hours? How many hours of air I need to add up to tank 1 and tank 2? Okay, when you deal with this aeration period, it's the same thing as residence time. Okay, so the time is equal volume over Q. Now remember, we are talking about this flow is for both. So since we have 25,000, and this is in liter, because remember, liter, I don't want you to be confused between liter and meter cube, okay? Over 600 meter cubic per day. Let's convert meter cubic to liter. So 1 meter cube is equal to 1,000. So you could be fine, meter cube with meter cube, liter with liter. Now you're fine. So it will be days, but he doesn't want in days, he wants in hours. So day will be up, so it will be day and hour. 1 day is 24. So now day with day, and now it's hour. So 2 times 25,000 times 24 over 600 over 1,000, and that would give you 2 hours. So the aeration period of the biological aeration tank is 2 hours. Okay, thank you.